Imagine you're deep in the Amazon. A beetle, iridescent green and totally new to you, crawls across a leaf. You can't just Google shiny green beetle and expect a clear answer. You need a more precise tool, a kind of scientific GPS for identification. This tool is called a dichotomous key. Dichotomous simply means cut in two. At every step, the key forces you to make a choice between two distinct options. It's like a choose-your-own-adventure book for the natural world. For your beetle, the first question might be 1A, wing cases are smooth, go to step 2. Or 1B, wing cases are pitted, go to step 3. By making a series of these binary choices based on what you actually see, you are led step by step to the beetle's exact identity. It's a process of elimination that filters out every wrong answer until only the right one remains. But for this to work, the key has to follow one golden rule: use objective, physical features. You can't use characteristics like is beautiful or looks scary. Why? Because my idea of beautiful might be your idea of terrifying. Science needs facts everyone can agree on. So a good key uses measurable traits. Has 6 legs, not has a lot of legs. Antennae are longer than 10 millimeters, not has long antennae. It forces you to trade opinion for pure observation. This simple, powerful logic is the engine behind traditional field guides and even the slick plant and bird ID apps on your phone. They're all just sophisticated dichotomous keys at their core. They teach us a fundamental skill: how to look closer, how to see the specific diagnostic features that separate one species from a million others. The key doesn't just unlock an identity, it unlocks a new way of seeing the world.